Yo, what up? Welcome everybody, and today we're starting a brand new tkinter tutorials that will help you understand how to easily build computer programs, those basic stuffs, easily using Python. So let's dive into it. First of all, to start it, you'll need to create a new folder in here. Let us call it introduction. Let's open the folder, and here open it with whichever IDE you're using, and create a new file here, which will be a main.py file. Main.py file. And guys, tkinter is a built-in library, so to use it you don't need to install it using cmd pip. You don't need to install it from the pip manager, the pip package manager, because it's already in the computer. It comes with a Python installer. Even if we type here pip.freeze, we ain't gonna find it because it's a built-in module. But if we go into Python and import tkinter, it's got imported. Now let us open tkinter and see what we have inside it. Enter. We're gonna be working with this tk, which is the main window, the root app. But let's just clear. And here from tkinter, import tk. It's capital T and lowercase t, uppercase T and lowercase k. From tkinter, import tk. We're good to go. Now here, unlike KVMD, you can either use classes or not use classes. So for today we ain't gonna use classes, just gonna learn how to make a basic blank app using tkinter. So let us create a variable root, which will be equal to the tk method. That is the method that calls the main window, the blank window. But if you just create it and run it, you may notice that the program is exiting without showing anything. It actually shows, but in a very, very little small amount of time. So in order to create a loop for our main program, let us say root dot main loop. Now that we called our root dot I called the tkinter's main loop method, it means that the program is actually going to show in here. Now we run the program and we see that we got this beautiful blank app. This is a tkinter blank app. And this is how we create a simple blank app. And I'm actually going to call everything, import everything from tkinter, so I don't have to type tkinter.button, tkinter.progress bar, tkinter.label. In order to do that, let us call it again, root equals tk. We have tk here. Then instead of calling root.main loop, instead of typing root.main loop, we just gonna type main loop. It's gonna be the same thing. Now we have our windows here. So that's all for this introduction of tkinter. And in the next video I'll be talking about how to add buttons, how to add background images, how to add exit buttons and stuff like that. So I'm gonna catch you in the next video.